Alright, so what I discovered, basically, here's the map of Oakwood Cemetery in Traverse City, Michigan. You can see right here, this is the old Catholic section. You see the Civil War monument here, which I snapped a picture of. It's actually just behind me on the right at the moment, right out there. And you can see from that the road kind of just curves up and around. And I'm sitting right now at this point right here, this intersection. Looks like this. Goes that way, goes that way. And so I'm going to go to the right, my second that way. And I'm just gonna follow this road, little tiny curve here. And we've got one tree on the left and a second, much larger tree on the left. Using findagrave.com to search the information on that grave right there of Ellen Mercer, and that grave right there of Clarence Edgell. It's an inexact science, because if you look at the second tree in the back, that you see an area that's all kind of scraped up and parallel to Ellen Mercer's headstone, and that is the result of me noticing there was a stone of some sort there and scraping dirt off the top of it. It turns out that Jacob Reynolds Smith, my great-great-grandfather, his grave is unmarked, like entirely. And so, based on lot numbers, and this being Ellen Mercer right here is part of lot block 247, lot 2, and Clarence Edgell is part of block 248. That means that this right here is block 247, lot 3. And according to the description of my great-great-grandfather's grave, it is located 2 feet south of the northwest corner of lot 3, block 247 in the first edition. And this is the first addition to the cemetery. And I am basically speculating that that spot right there, just in front of the pine tree, to the right of the big tree, and to the left of the graves of John and Angeline Chilson, is where my great-great-grandfather is buried. So that's my forensic detective work, walking around searching for information on a lot of graves in this cemetery, and finally pinpointing block 247, lot 3, and block 248, lot 1, searching for the people on each of these headstones at findagrave.com. So, the best speculation, because we know that his grave is unmarked and is 2 feet south, the northwest corner of lot 3, is that that's it, right out there. So I found him, at least as best as I could. So there we go. I'm about to head back out of here and see what else I can figure out and do this evening. So.